Bula.
Hola.
Anyways, day 3 now, guys. Day 3. It's already 11:48 here in Fiji. We didn't charge the camera last night, but I'll update you on the morning. So we got up, then we had to pick up Ju and Sage from Crown because they're coming over to Toka Toka because we're all flying out to Vanua Level tomorrow. So that's what we did in the morning, and then we booked our quad tour. We're going on the what is it called? Dirty Roads.
Go dirty.
Go Dirty tour. With the quad bike, we'll go. It's like a 3-hour tour. We go up the mountains, on the beach, on the roads in the village.
Pretty cool. I'm very excited.
And Auntie Sage is here.
Hello. Bonnie has to go back to the room.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay. But that's the update from the morning. But we got the GoPro, so I'll be switching to the GoPro camera when we're on the bike. And yeah, we're keen.
Excited.
See you in the car. Ju. Nah, guys, we have to go get shoes because we thought we could ride on the quads with like bare feet or just the thongs that we have.
Oh, you need enclosed shoes.
You need enclosed shoes. Hopefully, they have some footwear. Surely Crocs would work, eh? Okay, guys, we'll see you guys at the shops. Guys, we have to pull up at the bank first. Pull up at the bank. It's a Monday, so it's much busier than yesterday. But this is the bank that we're going to. We've already cashed out here before, so shouldn't be a problem, eh? Oh, we need a transfer. I need the spot. 1 second, guys, 1 second. Update, we've done the cash out. Shoes?
Like boots and the joggies and stuff.
We're looking for shoes now.
Okay, guys.
We got the cash out. I thought I lost my phone, but it's here. And then yeah, we're gonna get some shoes, get some food, and then head off to our tour. We're in we just put up at Nadi Plaza looking for shoes. I just asked a random bloke, he said there may not be any shoes here. But hopefully we find some. Otherwise we just go Nadi town.
Guys, doing junior updates. So we finished from the Crown Plaza. It was a great experience. A little bit cloudy yesterday. It rained a little bit, but today the sun decided to come out. It was pretty good. Went to La Baguetta. Very yummy. We had carbonara and
we had takeaway carbonara, but somebody didn't shut the fridge, so it went off.
so the cream bun went off, the carbonara went off.
Yeah.
Not good. But yeah, pretty excited for this tour.
The drink since you had the drive since you've been having a whole bottle of wine to yourself.
I can drive. But yeah, so pretty good, pretty fun. Now we're going to the shops, ready to feast on food.
Yeah.
So excited for food, and yeah, catch you later. Peace.
Quick food stop. Can you believe this stop is at Macca's? Macca's for So guys, I didn't think I'll end up in Macca's in Fiji, but I'm here. I don't eat Macca's, but Ju does. What's for the meal, brother? What's for the meal?
So I wanted to see what the Big Mac in Fiji tastes like. I assume it would taste like Big Mac. A bit hungry, starving. What's up, guys? We're doing some food reviews here, trying out Fiji's Macca's. So I got a double Big Mac. Excited. Sage got, what did you get?
Chicken nuggets and chips.
Alright, so what's the review of the chips so far?
Bad.
Bad. How come?
There's no salt on there.
No salt, need sodium.
Sodium.
Salt. But yeah, I'm gonna take my first bite into this Fijian double Big Mac. Look how juicy that
Big
is.
Mac, you big dog.
Look how this is gonna be good. First bite. think they forgot the Big Mac sauce, but that's all good.
No, that's sauce here. Look.
Tastes good though. I like it. It's more. It's more.
Tastes the same. Just say that.
No, it's like the bun's more tenderism. It's more steamed. It's pretty good.
Tenderism is good.
Tenderism is good.
Chicken
Right.
nuggets are great.
Chicken nuggets are great. Can I try one?
No.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Well, yeah, so
They're actually really yummy.
can I actually try it?
No.
Well, that's it for our review. To give the Macca's an 8 out of 10 because there's no salt.
8 out of 10 is pretty high, bro.
Pretty high, yeah, pretty high, but it's just the salt, you know.
It's all hot, which is good.
It's fresh too, so it's like not Macca's. It's like cold and left there for hours.
Yeah.
Pretty good, but it's just the salt. I think the salt and the chips. That's all that's needed, but can't do much about that. And then yeah, so 8 out of 10. Catch you next time. Peace.
Because we're going off-road, I gotta put this vlogging camera away, and then we're gonna jump onto the GoPro. Boom. We're here, guys. We're here. Damn, man. That's what we're riding on today. Gonna have fun. I think it's just us on my days. Gotta sign quickly. Bula. So guys, we're about to go on our tour in a minute. Check these out. We'll go, I don't know, I'm pretty sure we go uphill, on the beach, on the road, everywhere. But I'm keen. Keen. Check my boots out. Hey. Come along. This is us, guys.
Have fun, boys.
Bula. Us. 1, 2, 2. We're going on a ride. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me over this motor, but we went for our ride, our little test in there, and then we're going to shoot off on the tour now. There's Jew and Sage at the front. Hey Jew! He's putting his mask on. Nasa na balebo. Oi! I don't know if you guys could hear me, but man, that was fun. Hectic. The other riders. What's your
Yo, it was too fun.
experience?
So cool. I love the
Sage,
dogs.
Sage, you look like you love the dog
Oh
park.
my god, I love the dogs. I was like, come here.
We just came around this corner and these dogs just started running out, and Sage loves dogs. But this is the view, guys. This is what we're gonna do. Oh, tomorrow your friend's in the thing. Oh, you got it.
And they were
You see it?
I was like, insane.
and the dogs
That's
were
like
trying to
a
bite
shop
him.
there. So we're gonna go
The mountain.
those mountains up there. Holy crap, bro! Just taking a bit more photos and then we're off, guys. This is fun. Taking a photo, but look at this, man. Bus just pulled up. Pretty cool, the buses come up here. Yeah. We just put sorry babe. We just parked the quads up there and walking up this track to this beautiful view. Hey, that's done. Woo. So cool, guys. Let's see what we're walking on.
Which way did they go?
Oh, there was...
They take the camera.
Man, view up here is beautiful. So, other driver.
Junior's update. So we made it up to this hill. We started from there with the crew. Sage, how do you like this experience so far?
It's really good. I'm loving the view.
Loving the view.
And the
Puppies,
horses and the cows.
Horses, cows, chickens, goats. Yeah, pretty cool. Marcus, what do you reckon so far?
Man, it's fun. If you're in Nadi town, man, book the tour.
Book the tour
It's
with
the
John.
best.
Book it with John.
And the best tour guide, John.
Ah, yeah.
Book the best tour
Book
guide,
the
John.
best. John.
Make sure it's John on the
Make
tour.
sure. Good. Peace.
That was time for Grace to drive. Yo. And Sage is driving.
Feet in the sand, ooh, so free. Palm trees sway, just you and me. Waves are calling, it's begun. Living life on the island in the sun. Dance, dance under the sky. Feel the heat, just you and I.
Keeping up with Junior, so we just came back. It's pretty good, and I would rate it 10 out of 10. Big up John, the guy before. Really fun guy. Pretty good.
Nakaf. That's us done. Mother John.
Mother.
What a day.
Guys.
Hello guys.
Hola.
Bula bula. Guys, that was such a fun day. I enjoyed it. Our tour guide John, he was the man.
Big
He
up
was-
John.
He was
John
the
there.
big up John. He was the best.
How about you? Pretty fun day.
The weather was perfect.
There was a guy on a horse with a couple of dogs. It was like a.
That was cool.
Very-
Sage loved all the dogs that just came out of nowhere.
She just wanted to like take it home.
No, but
But overall, it was a very, very fun trip. And lucky it wasn't too hot. Like it was nice and
I wish it was pouring rain.
no.
It was so we can like run to the puddles and just
It was fun, guys, but we're just waiting for the dad to come now. It's gonna be landing, landing in an hour and a half, I think. And yeah, and then we'll see you guys at dinner, hey?
Yes.
Yes, Vinaka fam, Vinaka. Oh wait, update. The dad have landed now. We're gonna go meet him at the airport. Eh? I don't know. I have no idea. We're at the picking up
My father.
from the airport. We're at the airport now, and when I meet them in the airport, it's pretty packed here. It's alright actually. Day, guys. We're just waiting for the transport. 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 We're gonna go home. I mean, go to the resort.
It's our home for the moment.
It's our home for the moment. Only for one night or one more night, and then fly to South tomorrow. But we're gonna go and get some barbecue from Namaka. Barbecue. Now I'm actually. Sage, did you have the barbecue yet?
No.
Oh, hey, bruh. I'm not even kidding. It's the best thing ever. But yeah, we're gonna go get barbecue and then go to your guys' room or something.
BBQ.
Set. We'll see you there.
So we're just here waiting. After this, we're gonna go put all the bags away, and then we're gonna go and get some barbecue for Tino. We'll see you then.
Dinner. There's our dinner, guys. Roti curry and barbecue.
Go.
First meal in Fiji.
First meal in Fiji.
Roti curry and barbecue. Man, this is our first roti curry. I'm gonna try it. Roti curry from Fiji. Review. Yeah.
She's on the floor.
It's curry, tuna, and potato. Bro,
Soft. Roti.
soft. In the
This is the
curry.
same place you got the barbecue from the weekend.
Yeah.
They must be happy to see you guys again.
Yeah, they remembered us. He remembers my name. Jonathan.
So when you think about what did he say?
Marcus.
Marcus, another video please.
Yeah, I told him.
The moment like, welcome back.
I told him he's gonna be in the vlog. He's like, hey. But this is different now.
Give the size of the chicken.
10. Vinaka, guys.
Oh, what's down there?
I'm gonna call the vlog there.
For sure.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. We're traveling to South Sabu. In the morning. Okay. Mother, everyone.
Now there.
Mother.
See you guys.